Are you struggling to increase organic traffic to your website? Despite all your efforts, your website's ranking remains disappointing. But worry no more. You've come to the right place. Introducing Serp Empire, the ultimate solution designed to supercharge your organic traffic and skyrocket your search engine ranking. How does Serp Empire work its magic? It's simple. Our cutting-edge tool identifies your most valuable keywords and directs targeted traffic to your website. By doing so, it signals to the search engine that your content is relevant and deserving of a higher ranking. Don't let your website stay unnoticed any longer. In this tutorial video, Emily will guide you through the process of building a simple yet highly effective CTR manipulation campaign step by step.
Thank you, James. So here we're on the front page of your dashboard. Now let's quickly create a traffic campaign together. To begin, we need to click the Create a New Campaign button. Once you're on the campaign creation page, you'll be given the option to create either a regular SEO campaign or a GMB campaign. Since we're focusing on enhancing your regular website's rankings, we'll select the SEO campaign option. To kickstart your journey, you'll need to give your campaign a name and enter your domain name to proceed. As the next step, from a drop-down menu, you'll need to choose the main country you wish to target. If you have specific regional preferences within that country, feel free to select them too. We'll ensure your campaign reaches the right audience with precision. By default, the manually configured campaign is set to retrieve 50 relevant keywords for your website. However, if you prefer to handpick your own keywords, you have the freedom to deactivate this option. Additionally, the slow increase feature ramps up the traffic to your website over a span of 7 days, gradually building momentum. But if you're ready to receive configured searches right away, you can disable this feature. After completing these steps, please click on the Create button. Finally, the system will invite you to enter your chosen keywords and specify the desired number of daily searches. To ensure you make the most informed choices, we've prepared a help guide on selecting the perfect keywords and determining optimal search volumes. You may find the link in the description to this video. To complete the process, you'll need to click the Modify button. Congrats, your campaign is now set. On this Keywords page, you have the freedom to modify your chosen keywords at any time. You can also keep track of your campaign's progress by going to the Statistics page. Here you'll find a chart displaying the number of searches and visits generated by your campaign. You can also monitor your website's average ranking for each of your keywords. And if you ever feel the need to make adjustments, you can return to the Keywords page at any time. Remember, our dedicated support team is always here to lend a helping hand whenever you need it. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're committed to your success. Join us in the next video as we unveil even more secrets to optimize your CTR campaign's performance.